Imagine you are lost in a dense forest, no map, no GPS, just trees everywhere. That's exactly how I felt when I started coding, confused, stuck, and doubting if I was even smart enough for this. But then I found a compass, a set of simple but powerful lessons that changed everything, and today I'm giving you that compass. Stay till the end because the last step is something no one talks about, but it is the real game changer. Step 1. Stop learning the wrong way. Most people learn coding like they are memorizing a book, watching tutorials, copying code, and hoping something sticks. That is all like trying to learn swimming by reading about it. Instead, think of coding like a video game. You don't just read the manual, you play. Pick one language. Don't jump between Python, JavaScript, Java, and C++ like you are collecting Pokemon cards. Stick to one and get good at it. Learn by doing. Choose a simple project, maybe a budget tracker. Even if it's ugly, build it. The more you code, the better you get, period. Step 2. Learn to think like a coder. Coding is not just typing random words, it's thinking in steps. If you can explain how to make a sandwich, you can learn coding logic. Here is the trick. Next time you brush your teeth, break it down into small steps like a computer program. Open the cap, squeeze the toothpaste, brush in circles, rinse. This is exactly how coding works, breaking problems into tiny steps. Start doing this in daily life and suddenly coding will make sense. Step 3. Use the secret cheat code. Want to learn 5 times faster? Model the experts. Think of it like cooking. If a chef already made the perfect pasta recipe, you don't start from scratch. You learn from them and add your own twist. Look at real world code on GitHub. See how professionals solve problems. Ask AI or forums when you are stuck. Learning from others is smart, not cheating. Take a working project, then tweak it. Change one thing at a time until it is yours. The best coders don't reinvent the wheel, they study, adapt, and improve. Step 4. The dumb guy strategy. Ever felt stupid while coding? That's a good sign. The best developers pretend they are dumb because that forces them to ask questions and test everything. If you don't understand something, Google it, make mistakes on purpose just to see what happens. Explain your code to a 10-year-old. If they don't get it, you don't get it. The faster you embrace being a beginner, the faster you grow. Step 5. The 3 project rule. If you only do one thing from this video, do this. Complete 3 real world projects before quitting coding. Why 3? Because first project will suck. Second project will feel better. And third project, boom, you get it. It doesn't matter if it is a weather app, a blog, or a calculator. The point is to finish things. The world does not reward half-built ideas. Now, final secret. How to beat imposter syndrome. Here is the truth. Even pro developers feel like frauds. I know coders with 10 years of experience who still Google how to center a div in CSS. The difference, they don't let doubt stop them. So when you feel like you are bad at coding, remember, you are not bad, you are just new. Every time you write code, even bad code, you are leveling up, and one day you'll look back and realize you made it. If this helped, hit the like button so more people can see it, and tell me in the comments what's the hardest part about coding for you. Let's talk. See you in the next one.